In this video, I'd like to show you the top 5 features of iOS 18.2. What's up, Lollipop? My name is Joe, and in today's video, we have iOS 18.2 on this device, and I'm going to show you the 5 favorite features of mine on this device, and it's pretty cool. I am very happy. We finally have a little bit more upgraded Apple Intelligence, which we needed so much. And yeah, we have Genmoji, we have image playgrounds, we have ChatGPT integration, so we have a lot, and it's in this version. So I'm really happy and excited about this. Let's begin. The first one is the main one, Genmoji. It's my favorite one from all of them. So all you need to do is go into Messages, and in Messages, when you go over here to the text field, you click on the emoji icon, and up here in the corner, you're gonna see Generate Emoji. So it's gonna bring you up this little field, and you can type in anything that you want, like anything, for example, turtle with a hat. Done. And it's going to generate that for you. I think it's really cool. You can really let your imagination loose. As you can see, there's my turtle with a hat. Another one, it doesn't really, okay, this one, it put the hat on him. Then you go tap on these 3 dots and you can save it to your stickers. I mean, you can be as creative as you want. I actually did a live stream for an hour and a half where I was listening to you guys on what you think or what you want me to create, and well, we came up with some really cool things. For example, we can do dog policeman. And it's going to do a policeman that is a dog. There you go, puppy security. And it's constantly generating new ones. Well, okay, it wants a person. I'm going to skip that. But in any way, Genmoji is super cool. I use it every day. I create new emojis or Genmojis, and it's super awesome. The second one is called Image Playgrounds. It's Apple's AI generative image creation tools, which we know from Dolly or Midjourney. This is basically a playground where you can create your own images. Now, it's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to, for example, add a person. I don't have any people in my gallery over here. This is a demo device, but we're gonna set up a person. Let's go this color. It's gonna be a guy. Is it gonna be white? Yeah, it's gonna be a white guy. Okay, and then perfect. He's gonna be in the lighthouse in space. And now it's generating it on device. There you go. A little bit of a Timothée Chalamet vibes over here, but you get an image. Now, if you want car on a beach and you want to generate that, let's take out the appearance in space next to a lighthouse, then that's exactly what you're going to get. It's really cool. The next one is we have a smarter Siri. So if I go and press the Siri button right now, and I ask it something, ask ChatGPT to tell me a bedtime story. As you can see now, it's working with ChatGPT and it's creating a bedtime story for me, which after the fact, I can change. Change the main character to a turtle. And there you go. It created the bedtime story, and I have everything over here. It's quite a long. It was thanks to ChatGPT. So now, if you want to ask questions, all you need to do to Siri is invoke Siri and then say, ask ChatGPT, and it's going to be using ChatGPT. Now, you can also create images. Ask ChatGPT to create me an image of a dog playing with a ball. And there you go, we have a picture of a dog playing with a ball. Now, even though Siri does not speak any other language, only English, ChatGPT does. So it's quite unique. You can say, for example, to create text in a different language. Ask ChatGPT to write the story of Julius Caesar, but in Spanish. And there you go. The whole thing is in Spanish. And you can do it with any languages that ChatGPT supports, which is all of them. So it's really cool. It's very useful. Now, finally, you can use ChatGPT integrated into Siri. Here's another new thing. If you go into Notes, and in Notes, you tap on the Apple Intelligence button, as you can see, writing tools come up. Now, Writing Tools has something different. Over here down at the bottom, you have a Compose button. You click on this, and you can compose with ChatGPT. So let's say I want to describe something for it to create for me. Create a bullet point list of all the best restaurants in Budapest in Hungarian. I gave it the directions, I gave it everything. It's going to compose thanks to ChatGPT. There you go. These are the best restaurants in Budapest in Hungarian. So it's pretty cool. You can put together any kind of list that you might want thanks to the integrated ChatGPT. And now, as you can see on the compose side, it gives you suggested, add more restaurants to the list, include descriptions of the locations, mention signature dishes. Actually, I'm going to do that. So I tap on that and I let it work. So now it's going to recommend me the signature dishes of these places. Very good. Now I want a brief history of each restaurant. It's super easy, super cool, and it's kind of like using ChatGPT, but inside your notes. So if you're putting together something unique, or list or travel itinerary, and you use your notes a lot, then, well, yeah, this is perfect for you because it's going to be in your notes application. And yeah, I am really loving this new update. And number 5 is the minor upgrades, the little simple things that you might not realize the moment you launch the phone because of all the other things. One small update is if you go into music, and in music, you go to the search bar, and you can search the way you talk. So, for example, I'm going to say Christmas songs before 1950. And it understands the concept, and it shows me only Christmas songs before 1950. This is super useful if you're looking for specific songs, specific genres, or dates. It's finally now arrived to the 21st century, the search bar in Apple's apps. And the good thing is it's not only in music, it's in Apple TV as well, and in podcasts. So you can search in these applications without, any problems. Other minor improvements are the mail application, where you see your transactions, updates, and everything that you might need in your mail, and it categorizes them based on what it thinks goes into the perfect pocket. So it's very, very useful, the mail application too. In podcasts, you have new categories now. So if you're browsing and you want to find new podcasts, you can search based on categories. So I go to library, and then I go to categories, and then here you can see all the categories that I'm subscribed to. And, you can find your podcast based on categories now. And final small update, well, kind of small. It's in the top list, which is you can get your drawing. So for example, I'm going to draw a ghost. There you go. And then you have the magic wand down here. If you circle your drawing, and then you put in what you drew, ghost, it's going to create an image based on your drawing and the description. As you can see, it does a really good job. So you can switch between the different kinds of ghosts. You can also change the style. So it can be a sketch, illustration, or animation. Let's see what it does for an illustration. It's more of a cartoon vibe, and animation is going to be more 3D vibe. I like this one. This is my favorite. This is going to be my ghost. Then you tap on done, and it's in your notes. You can push it around. You can make it bigger or smaller. This is a magic wand. It's part of the Apple Intelligence upgrade that came to the iPhones. So these are the top 5 features of mine in iOS 18.2. What is yours? Hit me down in the comment section below. I'm there for the first hour of this video, so let's talk. Let's chat about iOS 18. Until my next video, stay safe and hang loose.